How to fix JBL Flip 5 not turning on. First way, escape weird mode. You might have gotten into service or weird mode unknowingly by pressing and holding Bluetooth and the play button for a few seconds. Get yourself out of this trouble by connect the speaker with a charger, pressing Bluetooth and the play button for 10 seconds. Second way, long press the power button once, keep pressing the power button for 15 seconds, free the button as it turns off, wait for a few seconds and turn it on. Third way, press the power and play buttons. Pressing the power and play button simultaneously for 15 seconds will turn it on. Reset factory settings. Keep pressing the volume down and the play button simultaneously until the speaker turns on. None of the ways worked. Make your final attempt by giving 10 seconds to press all buttons at once. Have a pause and now pressing the power off button would on your device. If none of these methods work, you should contact the device company. Thanks for watching.